The central bank has begun the crackdown against three private banks whose employees were caught on camera offering help in money laundering. Reserve Bank says it's begun scrutiny of the branches and the head offices of ICICI, Axis and HDFC Bank following the revelations by an online magazine, that's Cobra Post. Nisha Poddar joins in with more details on that big story. Nisha, what is the scrutiny that the RBI has embarked on, and by when are we likely to see some action being taken, if at all?
Sandeep, it was in the waiting for quite some time because while the allegations of Cobra Post, which is an online news provider, and the allegations that were put on the three banks, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, as well as Axis Bank, were of the nature where RBI's norms had been flouted, there was speculation that RBI has already looked into this matter. But a few days back, Urjit Patel, the Deputy Governor, had said that we haven't sent any notices, but now it's very clear. RBI has swung into action. It is going to crack down on these three companies, these three banks, if there is anything found against them based on the allegations that have been put by Cobra Post. So as of now, RBI has stated that the scrutiny has started as far as the branches as well as the head offices are concerned for these three banks, because remember, the expose did allege that misconduct and illegal activities were not just part of one or two branches but across many places and many regions. So there is going to be a scrutiny in all of these, and the timeline that RBI has set, and this is very important because it is going to be as early as 31st of March that the RBI is going to come out with a report. But remember, Sandeep, that it's not just based on these three banks. While these allegations are placed and these investigations will go on and RBI has swung into action, they have also taken a cue from this particular incident, and they have also stated today that they are going to study the sale of gold coins and wealth management products of all banks, and also have said that they will study the systemic deficiencies as well as the legal loopholes. So taking a cue from this particular event, RBI is trying to be very safe, is trying to be very cautious at this point, and is going to conduct surveys and is going to block all the loopholes which could be conducted as far as flouting the RBI norms is concerned in the banks. So it is going to be a major event, and RBI has swung into action, and that investigation report is expected by 31st of March.